Hey guys, this is high protein pancake. No flour in this pancake. It's so delicious and yummy. See guys, we are using this sweet potato to make this pancake. Remember I said no flour, no sugar, no nonsense. If you are trying to live healthy, if you are the new fit farm gang, come in here. Let's enjoy this sweet potato pancake. So first of all, I put my sweet potato in the oven to cook. I did not peel it because I want the moisture inside to cook the potato until it's very soft. And you can see this sweet potato is already cooked. I did not time it, just cook depending on the device you are using, and you can poke it with something with fork to check if the inside is soft. Once it's soft, you can get them out. You can let it to cool down a little bit, just as warm as you can handle it. So my own is still very hot and I can handle it this hot. So I peeled everything off, then put it in a plate and use fork to mash it. You can use potato masher or whatever that works for you. After mashing it, I place it aside. Then I got my eggs and start breaking them. So I have broke the 5th one and this is the 6th one. Just use as much eggs as you want. Personally, I want the egg to be more. Remember, this is high protein breakfast, high protein pancake. So I beat my egg a little bit, added a little salt, then cinnamon. See guys, anything baking goes well with cinnamon, or cinnamon goes well with anything baking. So after mixing in my cinnamon, I went ahead to put my sweet potato inside the eggs. You see how much the egg is. That's the plan. The egg is meant to be much more than the potato. The potato just give it a little bit of body and texture, and of course taste. So after putting the sweet potato, I went ahead to mix it. Then I placed my pan on the cooker and I'm using butter instead of vegetable oil. Remember, vegetable oil is not the best, so it's either you choose butter, tallow, coconut oil. So today I'm using butter, and of course butter makes this taste very delicious. So I made sure I added a lot of butter so that the pancake will absorb it and give you that creamy, yummy and good mouthfeel that you always want. Then I flip it on the other side, and this is our yummy pancake. Have you tried it before? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.